Good morning. Welcome to our 12th week, last class for this week. Coming Monday, we'll enter the 13th week. Anybody wishes to read the Experiencing Flow chapter? If anybody, yes, please raise your hand or unmute yourself. If not, I will read it without further ado. Okay.
I'll read it, Prachi.
Yes, Pratimaji, please.
I'll start.
Yes, please.
12th, 12th week, experiencing love flow. God is love. God created the entire creation in His image. Everything is love. Love is the single ingredient of everyone and everything. Love is the bottom line. We can trace matter to the atom, then subatomic particles, then various forms of energy, then to love, which makes up everything. Love is what Einstein called the unified field. Unified. What a perfect expressive term for love. It unifies everything. If everything is made up of the same thing, and that same thing is really just one thing, then it easily follows that everything in you is actually just one thing. We are all one love. We are one love. Love unifies all of us. We feel that link in our heart. That is what you will develop. The consciousness, awareness that love is what you really are. Love is your link to God's thought and all His qualities. There is really nothing else. Everything is just an expression of love. This course is not to teach you to melt into oblivion. You won't just discover you are part of a vast, undifferentiated sea of love. Each aspect of this one creation is unique and individual manifestation of love. As accurately, we can say that you are a unique expression of God. You are indeed an individual, you are unique, and you always will be unique. At the same time, you are also unified with all of creation. Your role in life is also unique. You look unique. You radiate unique vibrations that are your trademark. You reflect God, but you reflect Him as a unique reflector. Nothing else in creation is like you, yet everything is unified with you. If you are unique, so is everyone else. Your brothers and sisters have unique thoughts, unique roles, unique vibrations, unique drives and desires. They look unique. Their response are unique. Yet, underneath all that uniqueness is love, the same love that underlies you. The one and only true connection we all have is love. That is enough, for that is everything there is in creation. It is this love connection that we have been building these last couple of months. We all experience love in many ways, and they are all legitimate experiences. Sex is certainly an experience of our unity with another person. The mother caring for her child is an experience of love. Your fondness for a grandparent is another type of love. The feeling of compassion for someone caught up in a seeming tragedy is love. Your feeling of joy, your feeling of joy at someone's success is love. Throughout the days this week, become aware of the many feelings you experience from your heart that are expression of love. Note that not all your experiences of love are with other people. After all, we are connected to everything by love. So we do experience that love with everything. The feelings you get when you look up to a clear sky of stars are feeling of love. The feeling you have when your When
Dog greets you.
when your dog greets you is clearly an exchange of love. Animals and plants respond to your feelings of love. Be aware now of all those wonderful and varied expressions of love in your life. We can have a different feeling of love every moment of the day. It is not a static, unexchanging feeling for us, unchanging feeling for us. Each moment brings a new set of experiences with different people, new environments, new plants, and new animals. With everyone and everything, we can experience our connecting love. We can acknowledge that we are unified by simply feeling their love. Today,
Everyone,
write out a
1 second,
create,
Pratima.
create.
Please mute yourselves. I repeatedly say this when you join the forum. Please mute yourselves. It's already on mute, but some of you tend to press unmute. So please be careful. It's a very deeper spiritual study. It affects everyone's thing. So when you log in the session, be super clear that you're switched off. I say that every day. Let's be a little mindful now. Thank you. Please continue.
Today, that today, write out a creating formula for experiencing the various forms of love in your life. In your quiet period today, ask your higher self to give you acceptance, to give you the most perfect words for your claim and acceptance section. When you think that you have the most perfect sentence, speak it out and ask your higher self if that is the most perfect claim for your creating formula. Wait for a yes or a no signal. If you get a no signal, ask again for the perfect words and repeat. As with the all creating formulas, you will need to ask your higher self for the thoughts you have that interfere with this experience. The list you prepared several weeks ago about such thoughts might be helpful for you now. Incorporate that input into the thoughts section of the formula. Just as you did last week, become very familiar with this creating formula. After a couple of days, you should be able to think or quietly say it without the paper. Each day this week, recite the creating formula with understanding, conviction, meaning, and of course, love. When you feel very comfortable with this week's creating formula, you may do another for a perfect and unconditional love expression with a specific person. Be cautious here, however. Do not attempt to interfere with another person's free will. You can't. It will lead only to frustration for you. So don't do a creating formula now or ever for someone to marry you, make sexual love to you, move in with you, etc. Your claim is for a perfect and unconditional love expression with that person. So be open as to how that perfect love expression can manifest. Then sit back and enjoy the feeling of love it brings you. This whole week is to feel the oneness with everything. When we feel that oneness, we are bound to feel an aspect of love. It is impossible not to feel it, just as it is impossible not to get wet when you put your head in the water. You must feel love when you are unified. These creating formulas bring new and renewed feelings of love. Simply enjoy them. That is God's intention. During your quiet periods this week, receive any knowledge that is appropriate from your higher self about love. Speak out what comes to you. Periodically ask, have I spoken out the knowledge correctly? Wait for your yes or no signals. If no, find out what correction needs to be made. Using your yes and no to check out your communication is very important. It develops confidence in your communication and it gives you more practice on the yes and no signals. This week, your regular practice of sending love to everyone and everything as it occurs to you will be especially joyful. Know and feel your heart connection as you send your infinite supply of love to the world.
How wonderful.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. So any sharings? Any sharings, anyone? Or you would like us to, you would like me to meditate straight away? If you want meditation, then we can share if you want. All right, so let's start. Let's take a deep breath in. Before that, please check your posture. Today we'll go a little more deeper. So if possible, feet firmly placed on the ground below. Our backs absolutely straight. Our eyes closed. Let's wear a smile and go inward. Hands comfortably placed the way we like. Let's take a deep breath in and fill our body with love. Love is in me. And from me, the love is flowing to everyone, everything outside. Let's exhale love. Let's inhale love. The love is pulsating in every single cell of my being. The more I love, the more I love people also outside. So once again, it's flowing from me to the world outside. Let's inhale love. Love for our inner journey. Love for life. And with this beautiful, profound happiness and feeling of love and sense of oneness, let's share the love again with the world. God is love. I am love. God created the entire creation in His image. Everything is love. Love is the single most important ingredient there is. Love is pervading every single cell. It's permeating through thick and thin. Love, love, and love. God has made each one of us a unique expression of His eternal love. So we are love, we are light, we are joy, we are bliss, we are abundance. We are always meant to do something which is coming out of love because we are unified with His creation. We are His creation. He is a creator, we are creators, and we all resonating in love. Love is the only one and only connection with our God, with ourselves, with our world. Everything around us is because of love or lack of love. Love is everywhere. Love is what we experience every other day, whether we realize it or not. Let's acknowledge this beautiful universal love by being unified with the higher self. The higher self has chosen us to serve the purpose with love. Being a human, being a spiritual being, and having a human experience, we are bound to err. They say it's human to err. So I also make mistakes, which means I miss a take, and then the mistake happens. Dearest higher self, I know that you are there to guide me. You've already given me my sensations of yes and no. And today I'm going to go deeper and ask you, what am I resonating at? Which are the most perfect words which I need to claim, my true desire? So as I go into perfect silence, allow me to find those true words. God, and I claim and accept thoughts with forgiveness and thanks. God, my higher self, claim thoughts with forgiveness and thanks. God, my higher self, and I, the physical mind and body, claim and accept thoughts which are good for my movement, for my growth, with a lot of forgiveness and a lot of gratitude. Allow me the knowledge of these beautiful words, my true desires, as I go deeper and reflect within. God, and I claim and accept thoughts with forgiveness and thanks. Dearest Higher Self, please let everyone find their own meaning, their own purpose, the right words. Dearest Higher Self, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm supposed to speak my wish aloud, and yet in this pause, we can all speak our wish aloud. Say it loudly. Which are the proper words that have been given to you by a higher self? I will say mine in the mind. You can say it out loud as you're on the silent mode. Dearest higher self, as I said the statement which I thought came from you, please give me a signal if it's right or wrong, if it's a yes or no. Allow me the feeling of the sensations to know whether I've understood right or not. Thank you, higher self, for this beautiful confirmation. Those of us who haven't yet found the statement, we can repeat this on our own. Once again, go internally, ask a higher self, and then conform with the higher self. Because our higher self is a giver, has made us a channel of love and light. This whole week is to feel the oneness with everything. We feel that oneness. We are bound to feel the aspect of love. We are eternally one, one with ourselves, one with our higher self, one with the universe, one with everything around us. We give love and we get love. Love flows from us everywhere because love is what is meant to be. The infinite supply of love is there everywhere. Let there be love, let there be light. Now, let's bow down our heads in gratitude towards Mother Earth for grounding us, rooting us, nurturing us. To our higher self, let's look up and thank our higher self for its presence, for its signals, for the constant communication, the ever so wonderful guidance, which makes us go inward, deeper and deeper. Now let's fold our hands in gratitude. We're grateful for all the love that's flowing in us, from us, in us. We're grateful to our past lives that our higher self has chosen for experiences. We're very grateful to our higher self for choosing this life, me and my body and my conscious mind, for taking the journey forward. And if there's going to be a future life, may I find the light. May I be a bright star shining and sharing my light. Let's open our hands in gratitude towards universe. There is cosmos, universe, divinities, gurus, masters, angels, in this realm or the other, in this dimension or the other. Today we bow down to you all in gratitude for all that you're giving, for making us all a channel of love and light. Thank you for always protecting us as well. Guardians, thank you. We feel protected and safe. Let's expand our angel hearts. I am love. I am love. I am love. And so it is. Let's bless our hands, fold our hands together, rub them with energy, bless our conscious, subconscious, thank our higher self, bless our face, which also has a third eye chakra, bless our ears, bless our throat, which has a throat chakra, and the foot pipe with spiritual energy, our shoulders, our arms, our hands, fingers, nails. Let's bless our heart, the heart chakra. May it expand and grow bigger and bigger. May we be overwhelmed in love now and forever. Let's bless our solar plexus chakra, energize it, our sacral chakra, our root chakra, all our body parts, all our organs, front to back, our hips, our thighs, knees, calves, ankles, soles of feet, and once again fold our hands in front of our heart. Dearest body, by now we know that we are not the mind, we are not the body. We are only the soul which has come with the subconscious mind. That's all there is. So all we have to do is take the guidance and live a life of what our soul wants us to do. Maybe find light, maybe find love. Maybe live a life of purposefulness, of uniqueness, of our own integrity, with our own love. May we find bliss and joy. And so it is. Let's share our love, light, and blessings and healing abundance with everyone here. Lots of love, lots of light, wishes of healing, blessings, and wishing you abundance in every realm: spiritual, emotional, physical, mental. May you be balanced and may you grow inwards. Pratima ji, Shelly, Poonam, Preeti, Anjuji, Ritu, Rima, Minakshi. Love, light, and blessings. Anybody, any sharing? Did anyone get the message from the higher self? Have you all got your signals of yes and no? Have you got them? Poonam, Shelly, Anjuji, Ritu, Rima, Minakshi, Preeti, have you all got them? Nice, Ritu, you've got them. Great. You can use a chat box or you can even unmute yourself, whatever works.
Not all of them.
I want to ask one thing, Prachi. Can I?
Yes, please, of course.
Actually, I didn't get the signal also, and I didn't even get the formula which we are supposed to get this week. Like I didn't understand clearly. Like even in today meditation, I
No,
didn't get
no, there
any
is no
clue.
formula this week. The formula is from last week.
So they said you have to create formula. So
So
I'm not
that's what,
clear
na?
with it.
So that's what. Ab third day, pe Rima, you're asking,
Hmm.
should call me, Baba. You don't waste a week. If you're not clear, please call up before. Anyways, good news is we have Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and today as well to work. Please understand, creating a formula does not mean a new formula. It just means God and I claim and accept with thankfulness and forgiveness. And what are we claiming and accepting? The right words are supposed to be fed into us by our higher self. What
Okay.
is it which is my true desire? So remember one thing: this chapter is not this chapter. No chapter is that chapter. It's got the past chapters, readings also coming in them. So it's not this chapter which is exclusive. If you miss the bus of previous week or the previous week, you will miss the bus this week. It's all in continuity. So the chapter we learned last time, first we had signals, yes and no. Before that, we had created a formula. The same formula is there. All you're asking is, give me the right words or what is required from me in the journey of love. What is my purpose? So it says clearly, today write out a creating formula for experiencing the various forms of love in your life. Okay? In your quiet period today, ask your higher selves to give you the most perfect words for your claim and acceptance section. ये section कौन सा है? Week 10 का. अभी हम 12th week में है ना, week 10 का है ये section. When you think you have the most perfect sentence, speak it out and ask your higher self if what is the perfect claim for your creating formula. अब आपको love की journey में, what is your essence in the world of love? That is going to be given to you by higher self. So when I asked my higher self on Monday, on Tuesday, today, I got the same line again and again in different forms, that I am a channel of love and light and to empower lives. It's come to me every single day. It comes to me to empower myself, empower lives. Lives means even mine. Now that is my formula from my higher self. That's because also I'm a light worker. I was chosen, right, for spreading the spirituality. So yours will be a little different. Mine is for humanity, right? Yours will also be for humanity and you, because ultimately all of us are channels of love and light. Some of us, they choose differently. Some of us choose differently. That's it. And who's choosing all this? Our guides and our, guardians before we are born, before the soul reincarnates. That's when a proper conference happens and they see the old account and they see, okay, this is what she's supposed to do in this life. Okay, now she or he or whatever, which country, which parents, they decide for us because you have to reach your life's purpose. So what's happening is, what we are being told in this book is, we have something called desires. Now these desires can come to us from outside people also. For example, I see Pratima ji living in a particular ace lifestyle and I say, oh, I want to be like her. It's a desire. But a dream is something I'm dreaming. It's also got my subconscious mind and conscious mind attached. Okay, I dream to do this. So we're being told to differentiate, and that's why the true desires are supposed to unfold. That's why we ask, what are the true ones? एक desire होती है society conscious, एक होती है internal conscious. So what are my true desires? So we have been working on ourselves at every stage. कि मेरी life का purpose क्या है? And that's why we're told, suppose if I like somebody, I'm not married and I like him a lot, I can ask for divine love relationship with him, but I can't say that he marries me and he becomes my sexual partner. That's interfering with him. So that's what we're doing. So don't confuse yourself. And if you have confusion, please ask at least on Tuesday. If not, Thursday becomes late. Your half the week has gone in procrastinating thinking. And for those of you who haven't got signals yet, it's because your channels are not clear. Please work on your energy chakras. Please clear your blockages. And the minute you start affirming that, I am a recipient with all my inner guidance, automatically everything will come. Why is it that few people get the signals and few don't get signals? Because few are more open and receptive, and few are thinking and doing. We're not supposed to think in this, we're supposed to flow in this. And even words, रटने की जरूरत नहीं है. उसका जिस समझ लो. In your words, say whatever you want, right? The universe is not about language, it's about frequency. So just understand that. Because I'm guiding you guys, at times I look into the book because I don't want you to go wrong at all, because because most of you are doing your meditations, you're hearing these meditations. But when I do on my own, I don't hear this meditation. I just go and I ask whatever questions I feel and I get the answer very quickly. Like within fraction of seconds, I feel the pulsation of a yes or a no. Even in normal life, when I'm doing something, my stomach gurgles, matlab it's yes. There's a frenzy activity in my stomach. I know it's a yes. The solar plexus, everything starts moving, rotating, like as if it's on a pivot. And if my right arm or my right thigh has sensations, I know it's a no. So even normal life mein shuru ho gaya. Unified is not just a book. It is a course on life. If you master this, believe you me, I don't know what's going to unfold, but it's so beautiful, this book is. So please don't be in doubt. Firstly, tell yourself that I accept whatever's coming my way. I'm open and receptive. And it's okay not to get signals. Accept that it's okay. I haven't got it and I'm fine with it. But the higher self, please think of me, deem me fit, and let me know the knowledge. Just unfold the words or whatever you want to say, Hindi, English, whatever languages you're comfortable in. Don't go by the book, understand the gist of the book and intertwine them in your words. Because I don't want any one of us lagging behind. And because the ones who are lagging behind, we can't let the other ones move on further. We've already repeated 2 weeks because we thought they were important, so we repeated them. So we can't repeat every week, right? So isliye, please work on yourselves and tell yourselves that, okay, I am okay, all of us are spiritual beings, we are clear on that. We're having a human experience. Now, if you let the conscious mind of your humanity take over your subconscious mind or you guide it, how will it work? Simply just say, okay, I am just a vehicle, I'm just a body, I'm just a mind. You tell me, no, क्या करना है? मुझे नहीं पता. आप guide करो क्या करना है, and we'll move on. I'm telling you, it's, when I do meditation, it's over in 10 minutes, sometimes in half an hour, sometimes in 1 hour. The conversation is like a free flow conversation. Today at 2:30, I was woken up for my business. I'm starting a new business. उसका पूरा ideas आ गए कि ये करो, ये करो, ये करो, ये करो, ये करो. कल अपने आप से पूरा book चैनल हो गई. book नाम का book भी आ गया. क्या उसके अंदर concepts हैं, क्या chapters हैं, chapters के अंदर क्या है, क्या लिखना है, सब पूरा एक content page आ गया. Why? Because I'm all the time thanking Kamal and all the time feeling him here. My hand is going like a lotus every now and then. And now I've also, one thing which I'll tell you what I'm doing is, if it works, I'm going to share with all of you because in a spiritual journey, I'm following this Dr. Jain. Today is my day 4 in a way. It's all about detoxing our body. The body से विकार, toxins निकल जाते हैं, तो spiritual energy और high हो जाती है. Since the day before I had 1 mango, langda aam, and 1 peach. Yesterday I had at 7:30 1 bowl of moong sprouts. Just sprouts. And I didn't have to have it मैंने खा लिया because 29-30 घंटे हो गए थे. I was like, कल को if my body gives up, then what? Just because I thought. My body didn't ask. because we are not supposed to live on food. We're supposed to live on cellular energy, spiritual energy. Why do you think हमारे saints हैं, sages हैं, महर्षिज हैं, वो तप करते हैं तो महीनों महीनों खाना नहीं खाते? How are they surviving? Cellular spiritual energy. And हम body में toxins डाल रहे हैं. So obviously what's happening? हमारा connection अच्छा नहीं होगा. अगर spiritual journey में जाना है, so detox your bodies. Because the body is a vehicle, but इस vehicle के through तो communication हो रहा है. Last March, all of a sudden, my body rejected mirchi. No, we can't do it right now, Ritu, because it's a program, but I'm sure he will have sessions. First, I'm trying it out. You know, once if I am, my entire purpose in life is to first experience something. If it benefits me, then to share. I don't want to become a person who will just, into money thing or, giving people business. No. If I, like Mukta Rastogi, I benefited from opening my chakras with her. Not once, not twice, but thrice. So I told people कि भाई मुझे फायदा हुआ, चले जाओ. But I also told people कि you see how much you want to do with her. Ultimately, they're professionals, right? You see what works. Let your higher self guide you. Similarly, in this journey, I'm detoxing my body to understand, and my spirituality has increased much, much, much more in the last 3-4 days. That's why the book is got channeled. अब वो मेरे ऊपर है कि now I let the human part of it take over and I procrastinate and write the book later, or I use my energy and write immediately. So please understand, we are all channels of love. और कुछ भी नहीं है. Between our Sahasrara chakra, our crown chakra, and our root chakra, we're just an energy flow. कभी energy block लगे, even अगर यहाँ पर energy block लगे, suppose shoulder पे, just put your 1 or 2 or 3 fingers here. Just think that the pain is coming into your arm and just flick it, surrender it. 3 बार touch कर लो उसको, 3 बार surrender कर लो. Because this is EFT or whatever techniques there are, just go. Your body is healing itself. Like, in the morning, I puked like, I think about 50 ml of acid, I think. And my head had this chronic headache and I've never felt in my body. The body detox कर रही है ना, सब अब कहाँ से निकलेंगे विकार? From your pot or your loo, your piddle, your crap, or your mouth, or your perspiration. So yesterday he made us do these Surya Namaskars and he said कि अब इतने toxins निकले, quickly go and take a cold shower. In the middle of the session, I went and took a cold shower. Because they're not supposed to stick on, वापस absorb हो जाएंगे. I didn't know all of this. हम body को ignore करते हैं इतना. हम सब ने processed food डालना शुरू कर दिया है. इतना कुछ खाना शुरू कर दिया है. इतना सा पेट दिया है हमें. और उसको हम इतना खाना तो हम कभी भी नहीं देते ना. Ikigai में we are reading about this. I'm saying because none of us are from the other sessions. So 80% खाना is what we're supposed to have. Feeling full से आने से पहले रोक देना होता है. तभी तो body churn करेगी. And हम बार बार खाना देंगे तो how do we expect to go deeper in a spiritual world? If the body is not conducive for spirituality, which was happening with me, despite my connection being higher with Kamal, I felt the acid talking to me many times. So I'm hearing my body. My body said, okay, hear this. I paid for this course in May. But it wasn't destined to happen. It was my birthday 5 days. And I was like, birthday के बीच में I can't tell my family, मैं cake नहीं खाऊंगी, ये नहीं खाऊंगी. It just feels insulting. They'll feel कि हमने इतने प्यार से बनाया तो कुछ नहीं खा रही है. So उनकी तब नहीं हुआ, अब हुआ. And मेरा problem क्या है, morning में I'm coaching. So I can't do the morning sessions. Evening में वो कभी याद करते हैं. I don't want to compromise my morning time. That's my most sacred time. I think in my life, I'm guided to do these sessions every time and I will continue my journey. That's what. Because that is my time when we're reading. And that's why now newer books are coming up, next batch now. A Power of Now is such a profound, deep, you can't imagine this book is gorgeous. He'll never do it again, at least not for the coming future. Because I also, as a person, as a spiritual being, want to evolve, right? Same books again and again are good. Some of them are important for me also. But as a coach, even I need to find it interesting. Some books I'm doing, Shakti Give, and I loved it again. But we are finding a spirituality in the morning session also. तभी हम ready हुए इस session के लिए. जिन लोग को morning का नहीं पता वो यहाँ आके lost हो जाएंगे. नित्य शांति के पास से आकर यहाँ आ रहे हैं is different. Nitya's anyways conditioned them with spirituality. Now I've known Nitya for 15-16 years now. So he's conditioned that in me, right? Then morning batch में आप लोग तैयार हो गए. जब तक हम लोग open receptive नहीं होंगे, वो कैसे होंगे? With gratitude. Gratitude के रास्ते खोलेंगे तो बहुत कुछ खोलेगा. So Rima, it's okay not to get those feelings, but just remember it's because of our chakra blockages. इट्स अबाउट माइंड बॉडी एंड सोल का जो कॉम्बिनेशन है. अगर बॉडी में बहुत विकार हैं, बहुत टॉक्सिन्स हैं, तो वी कांट मेक इट कंड्यूसिव फॉर स्पिरिचुअलिटी. माइंड बहुत क्लटर्ड है, सेशन में यहाँ है बट सोच रहा है, चैटर सोच रहा है बाहर का, so we can't go for spirituality. These two are just acquired vehicles, and mind also has two parts. Small little part which is along with the body. We have to train ourselves, and that small little part only works with affirmations. So even in this world, start affirming that I'm spiritually guided, the divine guidance is there within me, and I absorb it very quickly. Ritu ko fatafat aa gaya signal. Is she like more advanced? No, she's one of us. Okay, you can see I had cancer and I had my journey, and knocks and shocks of life brought me spirituality. What about her? Why is she spiritual? Because she's had a big time knock and shock in her life. And I knocked her and shocked her and shook her out of her comfort zone and told her, bas ho gaya bakwas. And I didn't even tell her to join the morning batch. Apne aap she paid up. She told me, nahi, possible nahi hai. I'm not a morning person. I can't do it. And then I'm seeing her in the group. I'm like, kab to aa gayi, pata hi nahi. I don't know her like very beautifully well, but she's my best friend's real sister. So my
Thank
heart
you,
is with her.
Prachi. Thank you, Prachi.
So I'm a channel, Ritu.
No,
I'm a
because
channel.
of you, I am into
It's
it.
because of your
And
sister, not me. Your sister is my soulmate because of her.
जो भी है
So I
for
feel connected to you because we must have been a soul family in some other life.
yeah,
So I came as a channel to make you improve, right?
yeah.
Ruchi came in my life to teach me to introduce me to Nitya Shanti. If Ruchi hadn't come, I wouldn't have come in this world.
Yeah.
In my cancer journey, only your sister was with me. और किसी को बताया ही नहीं मैंने. नित्या ने बोला
I know,
किसी को
I
नहीं
know,
बताना.
I
So
know.
फिर it's because of Ruchi. We are all a channels. I am because of
Somewhere I think we are connected somewhere in the soul.
we would have met in the past lives. We're an extended soul family, no?
Yeah.
So even Anju ji, Poonam, Reema, Pratima ji, Shaili, कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ connection होगा हमारा. कभी ना कभी. We've had hundreds and thousands of lives. So today we've become one family of, this morning group. Nitya is also part of a lot of us. Why? Because we were meant to be. None of us is a teacher. We all are teachers. We're all learning every day. I learn from you. I learn from all of you. So just tell yourselves, and I'm sure we'll all find signals. Anjuji, you're also lacking behind now in something. Sorry, Galti se I was trying to unmute you. I forgot it's an open session. Please unmute.
Yeah, I haven't found my signals yet, Prachi, yes.
So if possible, today's Thursday is a day of Guruvar. Today probably don't have namak, probably don't have anything paka hua khana, cooked khana mat khaiye. And then by tomorrow, if you meditate, the toxins may flush out. So you might find your signal. It's about just body. So when the body is toxic, the body has both gastric is movements are there. Now they interfere with the sensations that we're supposed to feel. If I have a body ache somewhere in my body, I will not be able to feel the senses as much.
Right, okay.
So make your body little clean right now. By Sunday, I hope all of us have had signals. Otherwise, I don't mind doing a Sunday call again. Let me know.
Okay, thank you, Prachi.
Just make your bodies clean because I have realized that last March, automatically Kamal must have activated because I was in a spiritual world. So he made me just leave it. And I was shocked. I used to have so much of spicy food, like bhoot jalokia, the spiciest of sauces I used to have. And now I can't even have a speck of mirchi. It's because my body was training to be. I never knew that I'm going to meet Kamal and Unified will come my way. Nitya and Roshni brought the book in my life. I had no clue. And Roshni just said she and me will read. I said, why just us? Let's invite other people. Na? Let's speed the channel. Usame, I did not even know I'm a light worker. I had no clue. I was told by one of my first batch students that, you're a light worker. I was like, what is a light worker? Then she sent me a book. Then, somebody passed away in the Nitya group. She's channeled a message through me and I'm like, ye kaun hai yaar? Priti kaun hai ye? And then I realized that now I'm a channel. People are giving me messages. Because now all of a sudden my energy chakra is all opened up. So all of us are spiritual beings. Let's just spread light. Let's just spread light. And there are just two things we are born with, right? If there was no love, you and I wouldn't have been born. If there was no light, we wouldn't have been born. Just find them. More power to everyone. And please keep me connected on the Nitya Mitra's group, the Unified group. That if you have not got signal something, I'm happy even to work on a one-on-one with everyone. It's fine. We'll find time.
Can I
Thank
have,
you.
we'll
Thank you
have
so
the
much.
meditation, today's meditation?
वो तो
The
अपलोड कर
recording?
देंगे ना, मुस्कान मैम अपलोड कर देंगे. Once
Okay.
just be on the lookout, unified one-to-one kar lo, because today I have a couple of schedules for my work. So I may be a little busy. So in case I'm busy, you see online, and in case I'm free, if the meeting is gets cancelled for some reason, I'll share it on the group. Every day the meditation she uploads, usually within a few hours, sometimes just once actually next day. She's a teacher, right? So I can't push her too much. I work with all teachers. So I just let them allow. So I'll just post this sharing with her and she'll post it. Take care.
Thank
All
you.
right.
Thank
Take
you so
care.
much, Prachi.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Prachi.